Afternoon, everybody. Crafty Farmer here. This is a weld positioner that I picked up a few months back, and it is a Pandjiris. Oh, I don't know if you can read that there. 15 4P position, POSI, or piece of shit. I suppose it could otherwise be as well, because it just plugs into 110. The positioner tilts and all the rest, that kind of good stuff. This is the forward reverse, and then there's a potentiometer here, as far as I could tell anyways, for the rotation speed of the table. So even if I go to forward and I push on the handy dandy foot pedal, no go. If I go to reverse, also no bueno. So I'm hoping that it's somewhere in one of these switches. Hopefully not in the magic box of tricks. And we'll clean her up a little bit as well. Coincidentally, this centerpiece, as I was told by the previous owner, is threaded for 3/4 UNC, I think. And you just thread in a lifting eye, and that's how I lifted it here. You know, the table's not in bad shape, but it's not in the worst shape either. So I just moved it out here from what was up against the wall before, and just give you a bit of an idea how big this thing is. I can't remember. This table is about 33 inches in diameter, something along those lines. 32 and some change. And is what do we call it? About 3/7/8 of an inch thick. So probably was 1 inch thick at one point. Just been chowdered out over the years. And I guess I should probably also pull all the, like, this will be a little gearbox in here. Go check to see the fluid levels. And then we'll have another gearbox over here. And so this is the rotation motor, and this will be the tilt motor. Yeah, I don't think this thing is made. Geez, I thought I looked it up at one point. I can't remember how old this thing is, but she's not new. That's where the ground lug sits. So connects right here to the frame at the bottom, and then up here connects to positioner. And then what do we got there? We got, looks like just a single spur set at the top to turn the table. So I don't think there's anything overly fancy about it, but the fancy thing about it right now is the fact that she doesn't work. So I'm going to fiddle with it a little bit here, and maybe on the next video, hopefully I'll walk you through some troubleshooting and what I found. Okay, thanks guys. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Cheers.